Hello everyone, welcome to the admin side of iMia. Today I wanted to show you how to adjust some of the settings for your instance of iMia. Administrators of the domain that has been registered have the ability to come into the iMia interface right on the iPhone and adjust settings like how many characters to display of text before linking off to the main article, or to not limit the number of characters. You also have the option to show intro text and or full text, a combination of either one or both, or completely turn them off, which would basically just leave you with a link back to the original site. It's very similar to the concept that actually lives inside of Mia CMS, Mambo, and Joomla, all by default. So anyone who's interacted with those content management systems from an admin perspective will be very familiar with these concepts. In order to get into this interface, at the top of the iMia page will be a settings button. So clicking on settings will present you with the login box, and this is the information that was given at the time of registration. This login is done over SSL, so it is secure connection. The domain will default to the one that was brought up at the time of the page load. So we're going to put in our username and password. You'll see that this brings up the default iPhone keyboard. And go ahead and click login. And let's go ahead and refresh that. So what you can see here is at the top of this page, after successful login, you'll notice that we are over SSL, and you can see that by the lock symbol at the very top of the page. So the settings here will be saved back in a secure manner. At the top we have the account details. These are some read-only sets of information, the company that this belongs to, the user that registered the account, and the expiration date on the account. Expiration initially will be 10 days out from the day of sign-up, which is a free demo. After that time, to continue using it, brilaps asks for $9.99 per year. And then it does not auto-renew, so you can continue as you see fit by just re-upping at the end of every year. In the middle of this page, you'll see some adjustable settings where you can actually control some of the way the content is presented back to the user. So, as I mentioned before, the ability to show intro text or not show intro text, and this is done through the use of the toggle button, like the standard iPhone toggle button. We also have the main text. And then the option to limit characters, and if this is flagged on, then you have the option below here to change the number of characters that are shown before the content is truncated, presenting the link back to the user. You also have the ability to change the email that's attached to the account. And finally, at the very bottom, you have the ability to change the password, so entering in a new password and verifying that before hitting save. If these are left blank, then the password that is currently in the system will remain the same when after the save setting. So if you exit out of this page without clicking the save button, nothing will be saved. If you click save without changing anything, the settings will obviously be the same. But in this case, we did change a few of the options, and so clicking save will submit it back to the server, and then upon a successful save, we'll see a message presented back very similar to this, basically letting us know that settings have been saved, and next time that the cache is refreshed, our new settings will take effect. And that's it. If you have any questions, stop by the forums, and we'll be more than happy to answer them. Thanks.